I've received a lot of requests lately to do another video of my personal vehicle, my 94 F150. So I'll do one regarding the lights. So back in May of this year, so like 6-ish months ago, I bought a brand new set of lights, tail lights, headlights, and the adjustment screws do not work. And so unfortunately, the headlight housings are kind of pointed directly at the ground in front of the truck, and they don't do a whole lot of good for distance lighting. So I purchased off of Amazon a lighting kit. I believe it's a Headlight brand. It comes with, if you see, I don't know if you can see here, there's a switch box mounted, 6 switches. Under the hood there's a box with relays, and then several different lights. So I have 2 fog lights that are mounted under the front bumper. I have a 25-inch spot light that is mounted just above the front bumper. I've got 2 identical lights to the fog lights on the rear bumper that serve as work lights. And then I also have some strobe lights for front and rear, because I do some volunteer roadside assistance, and I've towed a bunch of dead vehicles off the side of the road. And so just for, especially at night, just for safety on the highway and job sites and wherever I may go, just thought it was a good idea. So this is what you see right now is my low beams. This is the factory high beams, not factory, but the new headlight high beams, and then this right here is the new fog lights. So almost comparable to the high beams. That is the high beams and fog lights in conjunction. And then this is just low beams and then the spotlight. So that spotlight really lights that up pretty good. So I'll show both combined fogs and spotlight. The high beams. High beams you can't even really tell they're on with the other lights. And then I'll walk around back and show you the work lights. The work lights, they don't do a whole lot for distance, but they do have a nice flood capability, which is really good for if I'm on the side of the road loading up a car onto a car hauler or something similar. The front ones together, right here you see the spotlight, and then below are the 2 fog lights below the bumper. And then let me show you the warning lights, the strobe lights. So I've got front and rear, and then I've also got top, which is buyer's equipment. Front, amber and white, they alternate. The top is a buyer's equipment, something like that. I can't remember the model name, but I believe a 15-inch one. And then the bottom and the rear bumper are identical to on the front, the amber and white. And they just do a really nice job of upping the visibility for, especially for roadside pickups of dead vehicles or roadside assistance or whatever it is I might be doing. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. With the headlights on, it's kind of hard to see, but if I show you the side, you see the strobe really lights up the house as well. So yeah, this is my setup right now. So hope you like it. Drop a comment, subscribe, and please check out my other videos. Thank you very much.